Hello, you're with Melody Bazemore, the credit booster, and
AJ Jenkins, representing that presidential credit.
guys, we want to take a few minutes and just give you a little Q&A. So, Mr. Jenkins, what's the question you can ask me today?
One of the top questions that I get when I'm on frequency for is, what is the first thing a person should do when they start the credit restoration process?
Great question, Mr. Jenkins. What a customer should do when they go out to start credit restoration is have an idea of what their credit score is, because you want to avoid pulling your credit as much as possible. So if you kind of know your score, we can tell you your needs and actually get you started restoring and rebuilding your credit.
Another question that I get from a lot of clients out on the street is, what is the credit score that the realtors are looking for when it comes to purchasing their first home?
Well, another great question, because that's something that you want to know prior to going for pre-approval for a mortgage. You want to be qualified anywhere from 620 to 680 for this year, 2019. The scores will be increasing in 2020, but to get qualified for some grants, come in at 680 so we can get you the best deal.
That's perfect. That's cool. I might be getting my house soon in 3 months. So my last question that I get, and this is a very, very important. A lot of people don't know what is the highest credit score that a person can have, and I ask because most people think when they just in the 700s that they're at an excellent credit score. Is this true?
Well, that's an awesome question, and it is not true. A credit score to be at an A plus rating, you need to be anywhere from 810 to 850. I recognize that 717 will keep you in the good, which really is the end of fear, 720 and above is good to excellent credit.
Okay, well, thank you so much, Ms. Bazemore. I'm glad to take this information and share it with my friends and family that's within the community.
Thank you, and thank you for having us today. So get with us, the Credit Boosters or Presidential Credit. We work for an awesome service that can get you back on track. Give us a call, 267-908-3382 for the Credit Boosters and
Presidential Credit. You can contact me at 215-501-7758. Hear from you soon.